ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ EMI ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ವೈಫ್ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ,
14 ವರ್ಷದ ಮಗ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, 3 BHK ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಟ್ಟು 9 ಕೇಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ.
what settle? No, what she is asking?
No. Why? Who has filed wakalat?
Our advocate.
How did you file wakalat even before notice?
My lord, because they have treated other courts also before.
That's all right. That does not mean that I'll entertain you.
You see page number 7, bunch of cases my wife has filed.
One, who's in possession, sir?
Wife.
Yes.
Not come because it was
We'll see.
purchased by me.
We'll see. You are the husband.
Yes, my lord.
No problem.
25 ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ EMI ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ವೈಫ್ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ,
14 ವರ್ಷದ ಮಗ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, 3 BHK ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಟ್ಟು 9 ಕೇಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ,
ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ.
what settle? No, what she is asking?
No. Why?
In the mediation,
ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
mediation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್
Nothing.
ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಡು, 3 BHK ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ. This is not family court.
No.
You put whatever you want in paper. Let the objections come. And why did you appear? Did I ask you to appear? Yes.
It was section 155 clause 2.
No problem. That day we will see.
Not offense.
We'll do it next day. Yes.
Much obliged, my lord.
Yes. 17. Family court ಅನ್ಕೋಬಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಗಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. Will not entertain all that.
God,
Particularly in family disputes, don't think this is family court.
10 ಕೇಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ
Ye
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
10 100 ಇರ್ಲಿ. That doesn't mean you can get into the shoes of the husband and do this.
No, my lord.
Don't get into the shoes of the husband or even the respond to the shoes of the wife.
Fall cases, it's a waste of time. a waste
Whatever
of
it
law.
is, it's all right. You are advocating somebody's cause, sir, not your cause.
Yes, my
Yes, so leave it, yes. 1 HCGP, 2 emergent notice returnable by the 15th of July. List on 15th in the fresh matters list.
lord. Entry order, my lord.
No?
My lord, the
No
thing
wife is in possession.
Why means just.
Allegation is trespass, yes.
My lord, there is house trespass will not, I'm just going by section 155 clause 2.
We'll see, sir, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
on that day, yes.
Corporation.
Oh,
Managing
ಇದು
Director.
ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿದ?
Yes. ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಪಿ ಆದ ನಾನು ಈ ದಿನ ಸ್ವಇಚ್ಛೆಯಿಂದ ನೇಣು ಬಿಗಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಸಾವಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣರಾದವರ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿನಂತಿದೆ. And he names JJ Padmanabh, who is the petitioner, and then 2 who is the account superintendent Parshuram, who is case number 2, and Srimati Suchitra Rahul, who is the chief.
You want me to write? I can write, not a problem. I will.
I may be permitted to read.
Ah,
your
yes.
lordship. And still, if I am not able to convince your lordship, then I may be permitted. And the
Adu, that girl committed.
The person,
Huh?
the accountant,
Accountant.
he is the one, the petitioner forces him to deposit the check, draw the money.
I may be permitted to read the death note.
Withdraw, is it?
With no,
Huh?
death note, I may take your lordship.
Hmm.
Death note nalli, there is no allegation that he abetted. The story is this, on 21, the deceased goes to the MG Road branch to check whether the checks issued by the bank after opening the new account was taken or not. He meets the bank officer over there who says that I will come to the office. On 22/5, she comes to the office of the Valmiki Corporation and tells that already check and passbook has been disbursed. And when they visit the bank to verify what has happened to the check, then they come to know that an amount of around 80 to 85 crores have been disbursed to different accounts. And who is the person who was responsible of handling the account, getting the checkbook and passbook was the deceased, the accounts officer. It was his duty to get the checkbooks once the account was opened. He was taking care of
That's not why the suicide has happened.
death note. I may be permitted to read
No,
the death note.
leave it.
Illa, death note nalli ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, because he is equally guilty. And the last sentence, your lordship, if I may take your lordship to page 43, he says, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆದರೆ ಅವಮಾನ ಸಹಿಸಲಾರೆ. He never says that it was the petitioner, deceased and accused number 2 in this matter. are
File
equal.
discharge.
I may be permitted to read the death note, your lordship. As your lordships have held in many cases of 306 for the scam.
Will not hold this, will follow Mahindra.
Your lordship, ಈಗ ಅಬೆಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮಿಟಿ ಇರಬೇಕು.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ
His
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
own death note. No, your lordship. His own death note. I may be permitted to read the death note. your lordship. This accused number 3, who is the bank
Will
officer.
permit you
has-
tomorrow, half day ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರೋದು. ನಾಳೆ fresh matters ಎಲ್ಲ. Be ready with all the armory.
Yes, your lordship. Tomorrow in fresh.
Tomorrow, fresh matters.
Much.
Kindly.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೀವೇ ಹೋಗಿ walk up to the first court and move. Yes.
With your lordship.
I am not going to refer anything. Yes. And ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. Yes. Give the memo. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡಿ. All memos. For what?
Disposed matter, GMCPC matter, right?
GMCPC, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ?
But it is your lordship's.
ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
The commission was appointed to assist in construction, my lord.
ಅದೇ two commission, ಮತ್ತೆ I am not going to review, go take, challenge it.
There is some mischief that they are playing, my lord. The commission work is done. We are
No, no, don't take me into the loop of mischief here, you challenge it before Supreme Court.
This is first.
5 minutes ago, lordship.
ಕೊಡಿ, vacating stay ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Yes, sir. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? Professor in 376(2)(n na? Friendly relationship, repeated rape is a friendly relationship.
Extreme urgency.
Yes, yes, ಕೊಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. Give it, sir. Next week in the 23-24 ಎಲ್ಲ pending matters, 23-24 from next week, I'm getting them posted. If you have patience, wait. Otherwise 2027 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, extreme urgent matter.
Give. I told you ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ pending matters ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, extreme urgent matter, my lord.
Wait.
Settlement, my lord, settlement at 2:30, my lord.
Settlement ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ sir.
My lord, matter of extreme.
2:30 ಕಷ್ಟ, ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
My lord, the connected case is listed today at 118 serial number.
ಬೆಂಚ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ.
Please, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡೋಣ.
Please.
ಇವತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
Please, my lord, matter is of.
Vacating stay ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. Yes,
My lord,
all the
extreme
cases now.
urgency matter. One extreme urgency, my lord.
Withdrawals, please give.
My lord, one extreme urgency.
ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವೆಕೇಶನ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
One extreme urgency, my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, one
Will
extreme.
you give or not?
My lord, one extreme.
Today and
urgency, my
tomorrow no matters, please give. Monday is already full, give. ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಮಂಡೇನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಯಾವಾಗಾರು ಹೋಗಿ.
lord. My lord,
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಸರ್. ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ? ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್, ಸರಿ ಕೊಡಿ.
my lord, there's extreme
ಅದು
urgency.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಯಾವತ್ತಾರ 8th or 9th ಕೊಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಸರ್,
Lord, extreme.
ವೆನೆವರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್. ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಮೆಮೋನ? ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮೆಮೋಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ or fresh? Give it, it will come.
My lord, 2:30 matter.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, 2:30
Give it
matter.
sir.
One 2:30 matter, my lord.
2:30 ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, at least tomorrow.
2:30 ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ತಾನೆ, 8th or 9th ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
My lord, extreme urgency matter.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಏನ್ ಇರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೇ ಸುಳ್ಳು.
He is a student, the petitioner
Maybe.
is a student.
Give it.
His exams are ongoing, my lord.
ಯಾವತ್ತು ಸರ್?
My lord, right now it is ongoing.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
My lord, the thing is, atrocities case is filed against him by his stepmother. He also belongs to scheduled caste. Just to divert him from the
All right.
exam.
Monday. No 2:30 or tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
I not request you.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಕೊಡಿ. ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿಯಾ? ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಎಸ್.